From the past week, here are the stories to watch out for in the world of business and finance in the coming week.
From third quarter earnings in the US to a possible big rate cut in New Zealand, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. Earnings season kicks off with JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and BlackRock due to report on Friday, October 11th. S&P 500 companies overall are expected to see a more than 5% increase in third quarter earnings from a year earlier. Investors will also be closely watching the U.S. Consumer Price Index report on Thursday for signs that inflation is continuing to moderate. France's new government will present its long-awaited budget on Thursday. It's planning a 60 billion euro belt tightening drive next year, equivalent to roughly 2% of GDP. French officials expect the spending cuts and tax hikes to bring the budget deficit to 5% by the end of 2025. But they'll have to push back the target date for reaching the Eurozone's 3% deficit goal from 2027 to 2029. Bad news ahead of rating reviews starting with Fitch on Friday. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand meets on Wednesday. Traders are betting the central bank could follow the Fed's lead and cut rates by half a point. It cut rates by 25 basis points to 5.25% in August, a year ahead of its own projections. And investors will have an eye on Japan after new Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba said the economy is not ready for further rate hikes. Many saw his dovish remarks as a flip-flop. The yen, which has been surging, slid to a 6-week low after Ishiba's comments, and Japanese stocks rebounded from their steepest slide since early August.